Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, I'm Crypto Maximalist. Thank you very much for joining me again today for another little daily update on Polygon. As you can see here on the charts, please do like and subscribe, really helps out the channel. And with that being said, let's get into it and see what we can do. Thank you very much for watching. As always, you're all absolute legends. You can see, obviously, we are taking a look at the daily time frame here for Polygon. You can see basically this crypto has been working the fib levels for a very long time here. Ever since we came down, all the way back down, around a 90% correction for that all-time high to 30 cents. We can obviously pull our Fibonacci levels in from there and work from there. Basically, overall, we've been coiling up in this massive coiling motion for Polygon for most of this bear market, as you can see. But since we came down and formed this Fibonacci area here from this high and this low, you can see, obviously, been working the fib levels like an absolute beast. Found support here, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support, flipped into resistance, support, resistance, support, and you can see we've just been working these levels for a long time here. As you can see, Polygon obviously came down to around that very psychological 50-cent support, as you can see here. Pretty much touched it perfectly every time and bounced all the way up to almost $1 here, which was a nice, almost a 100% gain from that recent swing, which was really cool to see. Obviously, lost steam at the Fibonacci level at around $1, that psychological level as well. Rolled back down to this level down here at around 75 cents, as you can see here quite clearly. And then basically we've had another bounce in that area, haven't we? Which is pretty obvious to me. Basically, Polygon been working these fib levels for a while. And if you look at this overall coiling motion for Polygon as well, you can see we've basically got resistance, support, resistance, just continuing to coil up like this till probably the bull market where we see ourselves breaking to the upside. You can see Polygon getting quite close to that resistance for the bear market as well, which is a bit more steep than the one that I've drawn in. But you can get the idea right now that basically we are just continuing to coil up, and Polygon right now looking, it's looking fine, isn't it? It's doing what it needs to do. It's waiting for the bull market to come, and overall I would say it's probably going to do pretty well in the long term. So that would be it for today, guys. There's not that much to say, is it, other than the fact that it's bouncing at this fib level. We're probably going to see ourselves retesting $1 soon, and we'll have to wait and see what Bitcoin does, because it does lead the market, doesn't it? So that is it for today, guys. As always, thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.